mag-move on ka na, lumipat ka ng ibang tirahan, or yung environment mo, no, gusto mo nang baguhin, then try. Wala namang masama doon, no? So, let's see. So, natin. 9 of Earth. So, meron ditong enjoying life's little luxuries, spending quiet time alone, successful self-employment. So, for some of you naman, hindi naman panay negative, ano? For some of you, nakakaranas rin kayo ng mga little luxuries. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, kung dati, hindi kayo swerte sa mga sugal or whatever na, alam mo yung mga little happiness, baka na-experience nyo yung blessings through sugal. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na magsugal kayo or basta nakakaranas kayo dito ng little luxuries. It's either a blessing